Suppose you are having tie-up with Vardhaman Hospital. Vardhaman Hospital is a weekly billing hospital. They are sending test sample of patients on regular basis. You are charging differently for test sample of patients from Vardhaman Hospital. End of the week, you are sending bill to them. They are paying immediately. Suppose you need to register patient from Vardhaman Hospital having investigations, blood sugar fasting and blood sugar PP. Patient is registered. In total amount text box, 80 rupees charge is displayed. You want to change charge to 70 rupees because if test samples are coming from Vardhaman Hospital, then you are charging 35 rupees for blood sugar fasting and 35 rupees for blood sugar PP. Now you want to know from where 80 rupees charge is coming. For your information, 80 rupees charge is coming from main rate list. To open main rate list, either click on title submenu of maintenance menu or group submenu of maintenance menu. Suppose you are clicking on group submenu of maintenance menu. Here biochemistry group is selected. Click on update of title info for current group button. Here all titles of biochemistry groups are populated. Here you can see all title charges for biochemistry group. You can see 40 rupees charge for blood sugar fasting, 40 rupees charge for blood sugar PP, charges for patient bill calculation populated from here. You need 35 rupees charge for blood sugar fasting, 35 rupees charge for blood sugar PP will apply when test sample of patients are coming from Vardhaman Hospital. This is main rate list. For your purpose, you cannot change charges here. If you will change charges here, then changed charges will apply to all patients, irrespective of whether test sample of patients are from Vardhaman Hospital or not. Click on cancel button, close group form to apply different charges for patient test samples of Vardhaman Hospital, you need to create separate rate list for Vardhaman Hospital. To create separate rate list for Vardhaman Hospital, you need to register Vardhaman Hospital first. To register Vardhaman Hospital, either click on Add Edit DR Hospital button or click on Hospital DR Lab hyperlink or click on Hospital DR Lab registration submenu of maintenance menu. Suppose you are clicking on Add Edit DR Hospital button. Hospital doctor lab registration form is open. To register new hospital, click on Add New button. Select hospital or lab in bracket incoming samples or patient option from type drop down list. Select associate in bracket monthly billing option from category drop down list. Click on save button. To create rate list, either click on Add Edit Rate List button or close Hospital Doctor Lab Registration Form. Then click on Hospital DR Lab Rate List submenu of Maintenance menu. Suppose you are clicking on Add Edit Rate List button. Hospital Doctor Lab Rate List form is opened. Search titles for which you need to change rate. Blood sugar fasting, change charges from 40 to 35. Blood sugar PP, change charges from 40 to 35. Blood sugar random, change charges from 40 to 35. Lipid profile, change charges from 320 to 300. Liver function test, change charges from 210 to 200. Renal function test, change charges from 140 to 130. Urine analysis, change charges from 40 to 35. Stool examination, change charges from 60 to 50. Hemoglobin, change charges from 35 to 30. Complete blood count, change charges from 70 to 60. Thyroid panel 1, change charges from 500 to 400. Don't write zero charges for any title deliberately, because system will understand this as typo mistake. Click on Save button. Close Hospital Doctor Lab Rate List form. Close Hospital Doctor Lab Registration form. Here in registration form, click on Edit button. Select Hospital or Lab Referred by option. Then select Vardhaman Hospital from Name drop-down list. Click on Save button. You can see in total amount text box 70 rupees charges is populated. Suppose you need to register patient from Vardhaman Hospital having investigations, lipid profile and urine analysis. Patient is registered. Instead of 360 rupees, 335 rupees charges is displayed in total amount text box. Suppose you need to register patient from Vardhaman Hospital having investigations, blood sugar, random and complete blood count. Patient is registered. Instead of 110 rupees, 95 rupees charges is displayed in total amount text box. Suppose you need to register patient from Vardhaman Hospital having investigations, stool examination and thyroid panel 1. Patient is registered. Instead of 560 rupees, 450 rupees charges is displayed in total amount text box. Suppose you need to register patient from Vardhaman Hospital having investigations, renal function test and hemoglobin. Patient is registered. Instead of 175 rupees, 160 rupees charges is displayed in total amount text box. Suppose you need to register patient from Vardhaman Hospital having investigations, blood sugar fasting, blood sugar PP and liver function test. Patient is registered. Instead of 290 rupees, 270 rupees charges is displayed in total amount text box. Suppose today you need to create weekly bill for Vardhaman Hospital. To create weekly bill for Vardhaman Hospital, click on Hospital DR Lab monthly bill submenu of finance menu. Click on close button of lookup. To create weekly bill for Vardhaman Hospital, click on add new button. Then select Vardhaman Hospital from lookup. As you have started registering patient test samples of Vardhaman Hospital from 30th October 2014. So change from date to 30th October 2014. Bill amount of 6 patient test samples have been populated. For first patient, you have selected blood sugar fasting and blood sugar PP. Total amount 35 plus 35 is equal to 70 is displayed. To verify or to change charges, click on change charges button. For second patient, you have selected lipid profile and urine analysis. Total charges 300 plus 35 is equal to 335 is displayed. To verify or to change charges, click on change charges button. For third patient, you have selected blood sugar random and complete blood count. Total amount 35 plus 60 is equal to 95 is displayed. To verify or to change charges, click on Change Charges button. For fourth patient, you have selected stool examination and thyroid panel 1. Total amount 50 plus 400 is equal to 450 is displayed. To verify or to change charges, click on Change Charges button. For fifth patient, you have selected renal function test and hemoglobin. Total amount 130 plus 30 is equal to 160 is displayed. To verify or to change charges, click on Change Charges button. For sixth patient, you have selected blood sugar fasting, blood sugar PP and liver function test. Total amount 35 plus 35 plus 200 is equal to 270 is displayed. To verify or to change charges, click on Change Charges button. Total amount of bill is 1380. Suppose you need to reduce 30 rupees from liver function test charges. Click on Change Charges button of sixth patient row. Change charges here. Then click on Save button. You can see total amount of sixth patient has been changed to 240. Total amount of bill has been changed to 1350. Click on Save button. For Vardhaman Hospital patient from 30th October 2014 to 5th November 2014, bill number 1 is generated. To generate print preview of bill, click on Print Bill button. To hide group name, select Suppress Group option, then click on Print Bill button. Suppose you need to generate summary bill, then select Summary Bill option and click on Print Bill button. Suppose Vardhaman Hospital is making cash payment of total amount. To generate receipt, either click on Go to Payment button or click on Hospital DR lab monthly bill payment submenu of finance menu. Suppose you are clicking on go to payment button. Here in doctor hospital receipt form, write amount in payment amount text box. Click on save button. For bill of Vardhaman Hospital patient from 30th October 2014 to 5th November 2014, receipt number 1 is generated. To generate print preview of receipt, click on print payment receipt button. Close doctor hospital receipt form. Close doctor hospital bill form. To see all weekly and monthly bills, their total amounts and balances, click on report menu, then click on hospital DR lab, monthly billing revenue, submenu of revenue submenu. Click on show button. To see all receipts of weekly and monthly bills, click on report menu, then click on hospital DR lab, monthly billing receipt, submenu of revenue submenu. Click on show button.